everybody, DamsGamesOne here, and welcome back to another episode of Minecraft. And today we're going to be doing a wee bit more work on my house. I done some work on it off camera. We're not going to do too much on it. We're not just going to do my house because I don't want most of the Minecraft series just me working on my house. And we're also going to be checking out some of the new things that my dad's done, because apparently he's been doing some new stuff. But first of all, before we look at that, I'm going to show you everything I have done. So we're going to walk here. I've done a nice big farm of berry bushes. As you can see there, we have another floor that I made, and I think I'm forgetting to do. Oh nope, it's all in. And then if I go in, and I forgot to show you. I got two dogs. I don't know where they are. But here we have the bedroom. So that's that. You can see. Oh yeah, I forgot that. And if we go up here, there's nothing up here at all, just some windows. But then there's a second ladder, and this ladder leads to the roof. Now, on the roof, I built this bridge. I'm gonna expand it. And here we have my farm. I made a farm up here, and it was because I thought, because I don't actually know what I'm saying here, so I'm just going to not say a word. But yeah, so we have this now. Dad, what's new that you have been doing? I do see some stuff.
Okay, you need to edit this bit out, okay? You come out.
So yeah, Dad, I think you've done more wall work.
More wall work to stop any creepers coming in. You don't like them, do you?
No, obviously.
No.
No one likes creepers.
If you turn round, I'll show you.
Well, let me just get. Oh, yeah.
No, I thought I made it so you couldn't jump on, but obviously not.
Well, no, the creepers aren't smart enough. Other stuff isn't smart enough, except spiders. They can just climb over.
So jump up, and you might see if you look over to your left.
Okay.
That's automatic sugarcane farm.
Oh yeah, I forgot you told me about that today. Let's go see it. First of all,
I need to put torches inside it.
I'm making myself a diamond sword. I need it. So do I go up?
Go into the corner here and have a look up. Your hopper that collects the floor already in it.
Okay, so.
Climb up, you go through the window.
Hey, yeah, I like how you made like a tree staircase.
Okay, so we've got the sugar cane. Once that gets to 3 high, move it up a bit. That there is a detector, I can't remember its real name. It detects when it gets in water, and the pistons push the sugar cane into the water. They flow all the way around here.
And then float. That is a very good thing. So first of all, I think I might make myself a diamond sword, because that might be good. Just checking these chests. Nothing really. And guys, don't worry about my diamond pickaxe. It's enchanted with unbreaking 2, so it won't break. A diamond space, because why not? Plus that. And then a diamond sword. Oh my god. Once I enchant this diamond sword, it is going to be amazing. But for now, I'm going to keep my iron mask, because it is, even though it's a diamond sword, this is 1 attack damage better. So, I mean, why not? Right. Mr. Fisherman, you're no longer here, so break that. Right, let's go. Oh, wait. I still have 2 diamonds. It's not enough to make what I thought I was gonna make. Oh, this is way enough. Boom. So what's that? Sharpness. Hold on. Let me just get some more lapis lazuli. I think I only need. Now I can chunk that in and chunk all this in. Right. Sharpness. Attack damage. Right, I need to know. Enchantment things. You know, I think there's one in my house. So let me just go check that out. It's getting night. As soon as this gets. Oh, chest. Just Mr. Fisherman, I use this. My old house. That must be where it is. Yeah, because I think I haven't moved too much stuff over and fuck. I'm just gonna go on playing. Bye. Love you.
Hi guys.
Actually, I'm gonna craft another diamond sword
I know you don't see me.
because I
That's
think
okay, it's all
I
of us.
might be able to do something amazing. Right. Come on, Miss Fisherman, you're not allowed in there anymore. Right. Do this. Right. I think if I do this, what will that do? 8. What if I took this sword and shoved it in with. Shoved the knockback sword in with paling. What would that do? Okay, it wouldn't do anything, so I am just going to get that and get this amazing sword. This is much better. What I do need is unbreaking, but guys, nobody tell anybody about this. It's my business, not yours. Oh my god. Now I have this, so I could put that in there, that in smite, sharpness, efficiency. I'm doing sharpness. I wonder if this will help me make wood. Hold on, let me just test it. Not too much. Go up and expand the base. Let me just get up this. Stupid stairs. So I need to just. Also, guys, quite a wee while from now, like I mean like quite a wee while from now, I will do a Faceville episode, and look at that, I'm out of wood, stupid game. But I will do that, but a long time from now, and oh man, this diamond sword better be good. Hey you! Not what? It's right down here. Yep. Hello.
We're getting close yet?
Sucker.
I see you, you're up in the high.
Quickly.
Right. Are you on an island?
Yeah.
So do you know where your temple is? Do you know where the temple is?
Yes, I just need to go back to my island.
Um,
And then so I see I have
Your
one.
island was here.
Huh?
See that one?
oh yeah. Take that, you you freaky phantom. Because I mean, it is a phantom. It's, you know what I mean. Want to talk about how Komodo Gaming, I think, deserves a million subscribers. And I think that because he has been recording for a long time, and seeing as the people that watch Spy Cakes,
What's that in the sky?
Oh, that's right.
um,
Oh, that was
Spy Cakes, a beautiful old bees. Spy Cakes has over 8 million subscribers, and to think that Komodo has less than that, you would think that Komodo should actually have the same amount, but for some reason it doesn't. So,
I'm gonna die in this one.
yes, I really do think that should be changed. Come at me. Oh yeah. Here it goes. That wet. Hey you, loser. Losers.
I'll protect you, come on. Let's do this. Oh my goodness. I'm inside
Hey,
three.
I have glass. That'll come in handy. Now my dogs. Right, my dog. I had dogs. Wait, I just remembered. Mr. Fisherman,
Coming in.
are you doing what I think you're doing?
Back to the start.
Mr. Fisherman. I think 64 is enough. Like, yeah. Come on, Mr. Fisherman. Let's go. There we go. And then I can flip that.
Did you kill it?
Right, right, so Tootie, set you down in the house. Right. I'm not too sure what we're gonna do today because there's not that much to do. But how do you make glass bottle? That. Right, let's see. What these glass bottles will produce. 1, 2, 3. What? Why? So I think today we're gonna go into the Nether and try and accomplish some more things. First of all, I need to go grab some food because I have no food in my inventory. Good. Just grab some of this. What do we have to grab? Right. Definitely need bread to make wheat. I mean wheat to make bread. You can't make bread with you can't make wheat with bread. You need bread to make wheat. No. I am getting mixed up. Let's just go into the Nether. 3, 2, 1. Got an iron sword. This should do the trick. Let's go. Right. Let's get more golden boots. Right. I'm spinning. Oh. Well, that ghast is it's having some problems. I'm gonna start mining some more nether racks so we can get a bit more nether bricks. No. Oh my god, that if I died, I would be absolutely crying. That because I've got diamonds. Decent amount of netherrack. Right guys, I'm back. I think that'll be a nice amount of netherrack from the nether. If we need to come back and get more, we can, because we do have a big amount of it. So okay, that scared me. No! I'm gonna die. Sad thing. Here. A health regenerate about. I think for now, we might go over and see what Fraser and Dad are doing, because they seem to be in a creative world, and hope this works. Go back in.
Go out the house in that room. Big Daniel. Small one will be my house. Okay.
Right, guys, we are back, and yeah, we're in survival. So let me just see if I can change that. Guys, could you turn me one of you turn me into survival? Okay, that is so scary. I don't know if you guys can hear it that loud, but what is this? It's a coral reef. Hey, look, a dolphin. Hello. Why are you following me? I like the noise they make. No, I'm not, because I'm creative. Let's fly around and let's see what's going on here. It's enchanted. Anvil. Island. That's all I can see. Right. Chant you. Not that. Sharpness. Unbreaking. Fire aspect. That's done. That. Protection. That. Protection. That. Protection. That. Protection. That. I'm breaking. Hold on. And then I need more unbreakings. So I just need another 4. So go 1, 2, 3, 4. Now that is what I'm talking about. Let's get all this armored up. I'm ready. I am ready to be teleported. Teleporting action in 3, 2, 1. Teleport me. Can somebody please teleport me? I'm going to bedrock. Okay.
Daniel, I see you. Dad, I see you. Look on my screen. The yellow dot.
Okay. Am I turning around?
Yeah.
Okay. I see an underwater temple. Should we go there? And holy man, Dad, you've been working hard. Hi, everybody. Hey, Fraser, nice skin. I'm just gonna drop anvils everywhere until I run out. La 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 la. Seriously? La 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 la. Bye bye, stupid anvils. Never loved you, never liked you anyway. Right, what is this? What does this do? Oh. Oh! What is this?
Not that. Definitely not TNT.
What is this that you're making? Also, are you jealous of my enchanted stuff? Hey,
I'm going for blue.
someone is the game master. Also, I have an enchanted diamond sword with sharpness 5 and sharpness 5 and breaking 3, fire aspect 2 and knockback 2, and it does 13 attack damage. Right. I'm gonna help you carpet. I think I might go for. I think I might. I think I might go for. Car. I'm gonna go with a nice red color. I'm gonna start filling in with the reds, okay? What does that mean? Well, so I'm guessing I'm gonna just fill in all the gaps. Okay. No, you guys do what you want. All I see is a num. No, that's a 9. It's kind of like a 9.
We're going to go into a survival world now.
Oh, guys, I think I'm gonna wrap the video up here because it's been on for a very long time. I'll have to edit a lot of this out. But I hope you enjoyed this episode of Minecraft. If you did, make sure to subscribe to Dylan's Games Zone's channel. Hit the like button, subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Teleport time! Wait for it. I'll see you next time. Bye bye. Guys. Hello? Uh-oh. Uh-oh.